Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I am providing you most beautiful and unique crochet shoes design. So you don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. You know guys, different people have different choice. They love different color, they love different style and they have different teams. So friend, in this video you will see different color and different decent unique design for crochet shoes design. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass ideas related to crochet, they choose crochet amazing collection for them. They will get new design and new ideas. If you all love this article and want more crochet shoes design, all of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. These patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker the design of crochet every day. These crochet shoes design are simple to make and will look stylish and unique on your little one. These colorful pattern used on your party function and every day. Your crochet shoes looking are so beautiful and unique. So here the sweet idea for creating these shoes winning design offer using some custom color shaded yarn crochet pattern design. Most of the pattern below use simple beginner friendly stitches like the single crochet stitches. This means they are all mostly easy to crochet. I hope you enjoy this collection of crochet shoes design. A crochet shoes be as simple or elaborate as you want. All shoes have this common design for use. This is the pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want and update more ideas and more crochet pattern, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family member. So friends, be connected with me and remember, be enjoy, pray. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.